Hi and welcome back to Curly Beauty 13. Today I'm doing a late CurlBox unboxing. Late is better than never, so let's get this box open. I kind of have an idea of what this might be because I think I saw a spoiler alert, but let's just see. And some of you might already know because it's been a while. By the way, yes, I know I've been gone for a while, but I'm back. I can give a video explaining what happened and what I've been going through. So if you're interested in that, please like this video so I know that you want to hear what's going on. All right, so let's get this box open. The CurlBox itself looks different. I'll show it to you in a second. It's an orange box. Here it is. Alright, let's open it up. So October 2021 CurlBox. Okay, so this CurlBox is different. It's something different than I've experienced in the past because I see that there are different brands in this box. So to get started with that, it has Ulta. I don't know if you can see it. The tissue paper is an Ulta tissue paper. Let's get this open. So looking at the box, I think I've used most of these products before. Let me show them to you. The first one is the DevaCurl SuperCream. DevaCurl has had their drama and issues. When I use their products, I never had an issue. However, I did not love their styling products. I used their washing products, their no poo, low poo, and their conditioner, but their styling products never did anything great for me. I didn't mind the super cream, but I didn't love it to buy it back. And their products are not cheap, so I would like to try this again and see if it got any better. I know that they did a whole rebranding and stuff, so hopefully this is safe to use because they did have some people say that their hair was falling out. Look it up on YouTube, on Google, and see so you can see what I'm talking about. This is the super cream. The next item is the Ouidad Advanced Climate Control. I have used Ouidad products before in the past. I don't remember if I used this and how I used it. A couple years ago, I was a model in a Ouidad event that they had in New York City where they cut my hair, and I was the model that they showed how they do their haircuts, and it was really cool. It was a fun experience. So I do like Ouidad products. They're just also pricey, so it's not something I buy all the time. I would like to try this again now that I have it to see how it is. And this is the Heat and Humidity Gel. So this is probably good for the summer. Next is the CurlSmith Moisture Memory Reactivator. I most likely have this because if you did not see my Ulta haul where I had all the CurlSmith items, please check that out. I'll link it down below. But this is looks like a refreshing spray. So this is something that even if I have it, if I like it, I have another one, or I can give this away to someone. Next is the Camille Rose Fresh Curl. This is also a refresher, as if I remember. I've used this and I do like it. Maybe it's not a refresher. I do like this and I've used it in the past. I just haven't bought it recently. But it's something that I will try to use again. And I did buy the Camille Rose Curl Maker, so maybe I'll put these two together if that works. And last but not least is the Briogeo Don't Despair Repair. I've also used this deep conditioner. I actually have a big jug of it that I got from Sephora last year. And I think it's a pretty good deep conditioner. This is a Black-owned brand. And so is Camille Rose. So if you didn't know that, yeah, this is a Black-owned brand. So all these items I've used in the past, minus the CurlSmith, and I don't know if I've used that exact Ouidad gel, but I wouldn't mind using them again and trying them out to see how they work now. So that was the October CurlBox. I did not put up a video for the September CurlBox, but I still have it here unopened, so I can unbox that with you now. To just give me one moment. And for the August CurlBox, I did that video. I edited it and my hard drive completely messed up. So I don't have that. Maybe in the November, I'll just throw those items in and tell you how they are, the ones that I've used so far, and that's about it. If I do feel like re-editing it, maybe I'll throw it in one day. But let me just get to the September CurlBox now. So it looks like, unknown to me, CurlBox was changing the color of their boxes monthly, because September's box is black and October's was orange. I like that. I think it's cool because I have a bunch of pink curl boxes around my house. So it's nice to have some other colors. I don't know if this goes with the branding of the brand, but we'll see. So like it says, September 2021 CurlBox. Okay, so the September CurlBox is also a bunch of different brands. So I guess this is something they started in September, because August, I believe, was all one brand. I'll put in a picture of the August items or something so you can see. So let's see what is in this September CurlBox. First is this Nourish and Shine Frizzless Foaming Curl Primer. It looks like it's like a mousse foam kind of thing. The top was off. That's this. I've never heard of this brand, but that's this. Then we have the Design Essentials Natural Hair Almond and Avocado Daily Curl Revitalizer. That's this. Next is a Kenra Moisturizing Oil. It says it absorbs instantly. I use Kenra. They have a blow dry spray that I like to use, so this seems interesting. Then we have two of the Kreyól Essence Haitian Black Castor Oil. One is in the original and the other one is in the Rosemary Mint. I already have these. I don't know if I have the Rosemary Mint. I do have some Kreyól Essence Haitian Black Castor Oil, so I would like to try this Rosemary Mint. And these are good for regrowing your edges. You can put it on your scalp, eyebrows. I use Jamaican castor oil too, but I've been using the Haitian castor oil lately. Next is the Twist Boss Bounce. It is a styling cream, and Twist is a brand by Ouidad. Ouidad is what I mentioned earlier in this video. And next is this Sunday Feels. It's a hair mask. So they have different moisture levels. It shows it on the bottle, and that's the last thing. So there are a lot of products that I haven't used, some that I would like to retry. So I'm excited to try all these products as soon as I can and let you know how they are. Also in the September CurlBox, there is a JCPenney salon brochure. It has a bunch of salon services that I guess are available in the JCPenney salons, and it's by InStyle. That's this. So that's it for my CurlBox unboxing. I hope to see you for the next one. Hopefully I'll be on time and we can look and see what's in that CurlBox together. Everything will be listed down below. If you're interested in CurlBox, check them out. It's nice to get different products, and sometimes you're sent something that you would not pick up in store, you might not even see in the store, because there are so many different products out there. If there's anything you'd like to see me try first, please comment down below, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.